Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm going to be teaching you how to give yourself insulin.
Okay.
Okay, so to start off, this is the syringe that you're going to be using to draw up the solutions. You have a clear and you have a cloudy.
Okay.
Okay. And you're going to also use an alcohol swab because you're going to need to clean off the tops of both of the vials. Okay. And also, before you do this, you're going to want to wash your hands before you give any injection ever. You're going to want to keep all of the supplies out of the reach of children or animals or anything. So you're going to want to keep it in the fridge too also. It expires after 28 days, so you want to mark on here when the first time you used it so then you can keep track.
Okay.
So then after the 28 days, you know that this is no longer good, so you don't use it. Before you drop your solution, you're not going to want to shake it or anything.
I don't want to shake it.
Because shaking it can cause bubbles, so then when you drop your solution, it's not accurate, so you get a messed up measurement, so that can cause a lot of problems.
Alright.
So instead of shaking it, you're going to go like this to each one for a minute.
Okay.
Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we're not going to do it for a whole minute. So to get started, you're going to wipe the top of each vial. Alright, and then you're going to take your syringe and you're going to draw up to 3 units, so right to the 3. Okay. And then you're going to take this off and you're going to put the air into the cloudy one first. Putting air in here creates pressure, so it makes it easier for you to draw up your solution. So then you're going to take another 3 and put it into the clear solution.
Okay.
And you always do clear before cloudy when you draw up your solutions. Never do cloudy before clear.
Okay.
Okay? So, I'm going to draw up your 3 units of clear. You want to go slow because you don't want to get any bubbles or anything. You want to make sure you're getting it accurately. So you get it to the 3. You can hit it, and it gets rid of the bubbles. So there's no bubbles, okay?
Okay.
So then you put it into the cloudy one, and when you drop this one, you want to make sure that you go slow because you can't, like if you take up too much or anything, you can't put it back into the vial. So you're going to go slow until you get it perfectly on the 6. No bubbles. So you're good to go. So then an easier way and safe way to get the cap back on is just lay this on the surface that you're using, slide it in there, and then just pinch it on. Okay. So now you have your solution ready. So now you're going to go to your injection site, and you're going to clean this as well. A lot of the common injection sites are your abdomen, the back of the arms, the back of the legs, and sometimes the buttocks if you choose to use that location. You're going to want to clean your area. Make sure you stay at least 2 inches away from the abdomen, okay? So then you're going to take your cap off, and you're going to insert your syringe at either 90-degree angle or a 45-degree angle, whichever one you prefer. You can pinch it slightly, but I mean it doesn't really affect you, like either way you do it. So I'm going to do it at 45. Inject your solution. Hold it there for a second just to make sure it all got through. Take it out, and then you're going to go like this to activate the safety mechanism on the hair so you don't stick yourself or anything. So then after you're done with this, you're going to either stick it in an old detergent bottle or an old coffee can so that you know that no one's going to get stuck by it or anything.
Alright.
Okay? So do you have any questions so far?
Nope.
No?
Pretty good.
Okay, so do you think you'd be able to do it back to me?
Yes.
Alright.
So.
Start by washing your hands.
Oh, yeah, I wash my hands.
Yeah.
And then I clean these.
Yep. And then what do you do too before it? You can't shake them, but yeah, good. For a minute, but for the purpose of video, we don't have to do it for a full minute.
Alright. And then
take your syringe, yeah.
And I draw back air, right?
Yep. 3 units of air.
And then cloudy before clear.
Well, just to inject the air, you're going to do the cloudy first. But when you're actually drawing up your solution, you always drop the clear before the cloudy. Alright, there you go. And then 3 more units. And then after you do that, you can drop the 3 units of this actual solution. Perfect. And then just check for air bubbles really quick. Looks pretty good. Alright.
And then I want to do this one slowly.
Yeah, and you want to pull back. And just, yeah. Because you want to do it slower just because you can't inject anything back into this vial if you mess up. There you go. Perfect. And then just check for bubbles. Looks good. Alright, and then recap it. That's a little hard. Perfect. Alright, now you're going to go into your injection site. So clear it off. Good. And then also you want to remember too, when you're giving your injection, not to aspirate. That means like pull back on the syringe, so you don't need to check for blood or anything. Okay. So, alright, go ahead and here you go. 45-degree angle, perfect. There you go. And then do the safety mechanism on there. Perfect. And then you would put that into your tin can. So, do you understand everything so far?
Yes.
No questions or anything?
No
Not
questions.
confused?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to reiterate on a couple of things. So, you want to make sure you wash your hands before you give injections, and you want to make sure that you're rolling these and not shaking them because you don't want bubbles. And you want to make sure you clean the tops of these, and that you know exactly like the injection site that you're going to, and you want to avoid like injecting it where tattoos or moles are because it just messes up the injection. You don't want to aspirate or pull back for blood or anything, and you want to make sure you're 2 inches away from your abdomen. And yeah, so that's all I had to reiterate on. If you have any questions or anything, this is a brochure on everything, and also my phone number is on there. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call me. And yeah, thank you very much. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.